That was weird. I tried to start it up and for some reason it wasn't working. This is weird. It keeps pausing. It keeps truncating my videos. Alright, well, this is sort of continuation of the last one. I was showing you the Johnson and the Griffey Jr. That Griffey Jr., it's beautiful. Perfect in every single thing. Color, cut, surface, edges, corners. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The back is immaculate. But the front, I don't know if you could tell, but that is like the 63-37, 60-40, 65-35, I mean 33-67. I don't know. It's just off. That one thing would hurt it in that one subcategory. Alright, so anyway, so I was going through it and bang, it was like a whole bunch, like Michael Jordan, Phil Necro, Nolan Ryan, 1973 Nolan Ryan, Wilt Chamberlain, blah, blah, blah. So I said, you know what? I don't care how long the video takes. Finish this up because there's a ton of good cards in this. So, Orlando Cepeda, 66. Terry Bradshaw, I don't know what year that is. Kellen Winslow, rookie. It looks like a Michael Irvin card. I'm not really sure what that is. It could be a Drew Pearson card. Dwight Clark, rookie from the Niners. Yari Curry, my God. Dino Cicerelli. Wayne Gretzky. Paul Coffey. Another Gretzky. It's like a 1983 Gretzky card. What is that? That is a league leader card. Ray Bourque. Jesus. Ray Bourque again. Ray Bourque again. Mike Bossy from the Islanders. And then a 1984 or 1985. Of course, it's a 1986 star card. So I said 84 or 85. So of course, okay, 83 star. Rookie, common. Pat Cummings, common. 66 tops. Tony Dorsett card. Wayne Gretzky, another one of those leader cards, since you had like 16 different categories. This one's from 1982. Ray Bourque with the Bruins. Assist leader Wayne Gretzky from 84. Ray Bourque, another. Wayne Gretzky All-Star card. Doesn't say what year. Mitchell Wiggins, 86 star. See, but 86 star, 85 star, 84 star. I have all these star cards. And I start buying them because of how rare they are, how expensive they are. And I was getting them sort of cheap. I was getting some of them for like a buck or less than a buck. Franco Harris, George the Iceman, Gerving, another Franco Harris. When I was a little kid, I got my picture taken with Franco. I forget what they called him, the Italian Army or something like that. Franco. Ronnie Lott, rookie card. I'm sorry, inaction card. Gretzky, inaction card. Mark Messier, my man. That is my man. It's his third year card. Lawrence Taylor, I don't think that's his rookie. Nope. Second or third year card. Steve Yzerman. League leader, 84. Record breaker. This is a French-Canadian card, probably an O-Pee-Chee. 84. Yep, it's no Peachy. 84 Wayne Gretzky, record breaker. Ooh, I remember getting these. These were cheap. Well, one is a career highlight card. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 85 star per version. But this one here, this is the real 85 star Kareem. That card's probably got to be worth hundreds of dollars. I gotta start pricing my stuff, I think. Jordan, Negro, 73 Nolan Ryan, on and on and on and on and on. Gary Matthews Sr., Bill Buckner, San Diego Padres team card. Moses Malone rookie card. Yep. Franco Harris, All-Pro. Franco Harris, All-Pro. Sad thing about Franco Harris is I heard stories. He was the laziest bum that there was. Didn't hustle. A lot of the coaches didn't like him because he didn't hustle. And on the play, the Immaculate Reception, he was loafing. They said, as usual, Franco's loafing on the play, and sure enough, the ball gets deflected in a wild pass, wild play, and he winds up being the beneficiary of one of the weirdest, most bizarre plays in the history of football because he was loafing, being lazy, not running his route out or whatever. But because he was such a lazy bum, he wound up being the extreme benefactor of such a wacko play. It goes down in the history of football as one of the weirdest but best plays ever in the history of football. Oh, what is this? All right. That looks like it's going to be. I mean, there's other stuff here, but first of all, I got a good nap in the afternoon today, so I don't want to push it. I'm going to go to bed. It's about almost 1:30. Wednesday into Thursday, so wow, it's already September 7th. Gotta be kidding me. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to keep the seller of this stuff secret. Like I said, he's fantastic. He's my favorite seller on the internet. But cards inside. But this guy here, sorry, I hate to be a jerk. I'm not giving away my secrets. I get such great cards from him. This freaking stupid thing spilled all my cards because a piece of tape stuck to it that knocked all my cards out. Unreal. Not cards. Sleeves. Well, I don't think you guys want to see me straightening up sleeves, so I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'll tell you what, I really enjoyed opening that up. Like I said, I ordered that probably like 3 years. That was way before the pandemic, so 3 at least, maybe 3.5, 4 years ago. Great stuff. All right, thank you.